Hey everybody, Brian, Kilo Bravo 9, Uniform Zulu Oscar here with the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association, coming into you live from the work area, from the bench. And we are working on actually two right now, XBR 8300 VHF repeaters. If you've been following our social media, we were recently gifted four Motorola XBR 8300 repeaters from the Ute Regional District, I believe it was. Up in Woodland Park, they're changing radio systems, phasing out the old ones, and we received the four donated units. Right now I have on the bench 1 and 2 over here, and we're extremely grateful to those folks. So we have 2 units on the bench right now that we are servicing. We have 1 unit over here. Let me move this down a little bit so you can see it. We have 1 unit down there that has some issues. We're trying to work out some hex problems on it. Probably going to end up replacing the EEPROM on it. And the unit over here right now is going through its tuning process. I have a bad fan, possibly a power supply fan, I'm pretty sure, on this one. XBR repeaters are known for bad power supply fans. I'm cycling all of them through right now. You can probably hear the bad fan coming off on this one. We're cycling them all through the bench and repairing them one at a time. I just kind of grabbed these two because these two have the most issues. The other 2 we have on hand are pretty good shape. So again, we're extremely grateful for that donation. And kind of wanted to update you folks, a little video, whatnot's been going on. System 1, VHF, and the UHF repeaters have been online for, what has it been now, 4 months, and fully online for almost 4 months now, and working out some minor gremlins with them. For those of you who did attend the ECRA membership meeting on November 1st, 2025, we spoke about the Duplexer issue that we came across. We are raising money right now for a new 6-can VHF Duplexer setup, and we need to return the VHF side of that system back to 100 watt output. Right now we had to turn it down to 50 watts because we were having receiver descents due to poor isolation between the transmit and receive side. One of the things that we're going to be doing here rather shortly within the coming weeks is putting in a temporary pre-select a pre-select filter on the VHF amplifier's output to try and add a little bit of isolation so we can bump up our RF power a little bit. But for those of you who want to know more about our current need for a new 6-can VHF Duplexer, please see the link below for our GoFundMe. We extremely much appreciate that, very much so. System 2 in Yuma, Colorado is still on track. We're currently working with several folks out that way who have graciously offered either site locations or infrastructure locations for the final installation of System 2. So we're working on that heavily right now. Again, keep an eye on our social media, and we'll have a bunch of updates there and on our website. So this is a quick video. Everything is going as is, as best as can be on this end from Eastern Colorado. So I do appreciate you folks just kind of chiming in for the meeting, see what's going on, a little update here. Remember to subscribe, we do appreciate that. So this is Brian, Kilo Bravo 9, Uniform Zulu Oscar with the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association, saying 7 threes and enjoy the weekend.